Yo, what's going on? Back again in Higuey, Dominican Republic. This time, as y'all can see, follow me over here. Let's look over here. We did some renovations. Basically, we had some roofs that wasn't good. We had wood inside of the house that we had to replace due to termites, and we replaced it with blocks. So those houses over there have been remodeled and they look A1. We've done such a great job that they've trusted us with completing some brand new houses from scratch. So this is what we got going on over here. We're gonna build one house here, two houses here, number 2 is here, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna keep going until we complete 15 homes. So we're contracted to complete 15 homes. We're working on house number 1. And what we got going on today, come check it out, is we're completing the footings right now. We had to buy the barilla or the rebars to go ahead and get the footings ready. These are our columns. We got 9 columns being installed, and we're going to lay the foundation today. So thank you for staying tuned in. If you're looking for doing some type of construction in a third world country, specifically Dominican Republic, you want to like, you want to subscribe, and you want to tune into this channel, because that's what we do here. Do a lot of construction videos, a lot of trucking videos, and barbering videos, because that's what I do. So continue to follow, continue to like, and let's get it. Holla at your boy. All right, so we're officially laying the footings down. Concrete is actually being poured. So our goal today was to get all of the rebar down, get our columns up, and get our concrete poured. Tomorrow we're gonna start laying bricks. Everything's going good. Continue to watch. Continue to watch. We learn how to build a house in DR. If you're watching this channel, it's because you want to be able to build one of these concrete bad babies on your own. Continue to stay locked in. Holla at your boy. Try to cross the street in DR. There's no lights, no stop signs. Just gotta get it how you live. Try not to hurt nobody.
Look at this guy.
Look at him, look how fast he goes.
Oh my God.
He like, you can't see me, baby. And look, and he on the back like this. He like, yeah, my nigga, go. Yeah, go. Go. We out. We out. It was like forever. For one exit.
Yeah, true.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Yo, all right, so we back in Higuey again. We got a lot of this work done. We're putting in electrical today. We're putting in plumbing today. We got windows that are being not necessarily installed, but framed out with the blocks. We're actually making a lot of good progress. My goal for this project this time was to come in, knock this complete house out in 10 days. As you can see, this is what the house should look like when it's finished, right? So I'm gonna build it just like that, but we're knocking it out in 10 days. We're getting it done on budget, on time, and hopefully we're gonna make our customers happy. So stay tuned and stay locked in. We're halfway done, like I said. Electrical, plumbing, most of the blocks are already done. So we just gotta run some electrical lines, some plumbing lines, and put a roof on, and we out the door. Stay tuned, stay locked in. Holla at your boy. Headed back home today, like actually about to get in the car and drive to the airport as we speak. But the guys did an excellent job. As you can see, the house in the background is almost done. They're smoothing out the windows and putting the roofs on. We did a damn good job this time, man. I hope y'all liked everything that y'all saw so far. I'm gonna try to make this joint a little more entertaining on the next one. Psych! This is as entertaining as it gets. But we're doing some great stuff. You can see the houses in the background. Those were done by some other people. But what we're doing is we're taking over the project, doing the exact same thing, but we're trying to provide a better quality. Not trying to, we are providing a better quality. And, you know, soon you'll be able to see all of these footings right here will be complete, and these will be homes too in the near future. So make sure you like and subscribe. We're building NDR. This is the channel. I'm your boy King of Raleigh, doing what I do best, baby. Just making the world spin. Holla at your boy.